glad to see you here. It's Pete here from Pete's Tools. Today I want to have a quick talk about the old Mig Welding Gun Fix. I buggered the thread in the end of me MIG torch, and I thought, oh Christ, I'm going to have to buy a whole new lead. But anyway, I figured out a little fix you guys might be interested in. So without further ado, let's go and have a look, eh? Hi guys, so I went to change the old contact tip in the old MIG torch the other day, and I cross-threaded the thread in here, and oh dear, so I was either going to muck around with that and try and fix the thread, or just have to buy a whole new torch, you know, a whole new torch and lead. But man, there's got to be a better way than that, and this thing is getting a bit buggered. Whoops, just dropped my drill. This thing is getting a bit buggered anyway, and I don't know about you, but you know, if you're anything like me, you run over these things or smash them, smash the bloody plastic and all the rest of it. So I thought, well, what I'm going to do is spend $100 or so, $80 on a new lead, 3 metre, 4 metre lead. And I went online and had a look, and I don't know if you guys realise it, but you can actually just buy a replacement MIG torch. I didn't know that myself. There it is. Be a bit cheaper, I thought. It's about $13. I mean, absolutely unbelievable. So I thought I'd pull them both to bits and show you, and just see how easy it would be to change it over. So let's have a look, eh? So pull my old one to pieces. Just bear with me for a second. Just be a quick video, guys, and we'll just flick this. This here, it's got a bit of a thing on the back that you just flick off. So we'll just pull it off. It just holds the ball in the back of the torch here. The ball here just holds that on there. So we'll pull that off there, and if we take that off, what do we got? We have. Take just the plastic off. We have your swan neck that comes out there, which you put your MIG tip in the end there, and then you have your lead here, which has got your shield wire on it here, and just the clips there for the off-on switch. So oh yeah, that would be pretty easy. So this is screwed into here just with a thread, so if we undo that, it shouldn't be that hard to change, you wouldn't think, would you? So let's have a look. We'll get the other one. Got my other one here. This is my one that I found online. I'll put some links down below if you guys want to buy one of these cheap torches for, so, $12-13 or something ridiculous. And it certainly saves buying a whole other thing. If you ain't like me, as rough as guts, then you know, here it is. You break these things all the time. And this one here's got this is the thing. Now this has got the spring where you put your wire through here, or is that much the same sort of thing as this one here? Same sort of thing as that. Much the same sort of thing, just a little bit different style, but I think, you know, all things being equal, I think we can just use it the same. So we'll pull this one to bits and we'll have a look, see what's in this one. So we've got the spring here, which goes in there, which is the same as the ball on the other one. We'll pull this off. We've got the same, we've got the swan neck, and we've got your thread in here, which is the same as the thread in here of the old one, like so. I'd take that out of there, screw that in there, and then it leaves us with the switch. So we've got the switch on the old one here. What do we got on the new one? So we've got a switch on the new one here. So if we look down there, don't know if you guys can see down there or not. Let's have a look. Let's see if we can see right down there. Let me have a look. Can you see down there? It's got the two contacts on the switch down here that will plug in, unplug these contacts out of here, plug them into the switch here, reassemble your torch, and you've got a new gun on there for $13. I mean, well, sounds like a bargain to me. Anyway, that's my thoughts on it, guys. I didn't know that. You guys may know it, but yeah. Anyway, for what it's worth, that's my video for the day. Anyway, guys, we'll see you next time. If you like the channel, subscribe up the top, drop me a comment down below. I'd love to have a chat with you, and we'll see you next time. Cheers, guys.